Hello everyone, welcome to Football Updates. Friends, last week during a live online event, FIFA has finally unveiled the final 3 candidates shortlisted for the Best FIFA Football Men's Player of the Year Awards 2021, the winners of which will be revealed at an online ceremony on the 17th of January 2022. The Argentine superstar Lionel Messi and Egyptian winger Mohamed Salah joined 2020 winner Robert Lewandowski on the shortlist to claim this year's prize. In this video we are going to compare the individual performances of all 3 players, and try to understand who deserves the Best FIFA Football Men's Player of the Year award. The first comparison is statistical analysis. Lionel Messi scored 38 goals and had 16 assists in all competitions for club and country in 2020-21 season. He won the Spanish Pichichi Award for scoring the most goals in La Liga. However, after his move to PSG, Messi's productivity has gone down, as he did not exactly hit the ground running, but has been in great form in the Champions League. Messi has 6 goals and 5 assists to his name in 16 appearances across all competitions for the Ligue A outfit so far this season. While Robert Lewandowski has evidently an edge over others in terms of goals scored. He scored a whopping 52 goals last season, and started this season in the same style, scoring 31 goals in 26 matches he played so far. On the other hand, Mohamed Salah is arguably the most informed player right now. The Egyptian magician has already scored an incredible 23 goals in 26 matches for Liverpool this season. Salah scored 31 goals and provided 6 assists in 51 appearances across all competitions in the 2020-21 season. The second comparison is trophies. Lewandowski won the German Bundesliga and DFL Super Cup with Bayern Munich. Mohamed Salah's individual excellence couldn't bring Liverpool any success. But his brilliance has probably earned the struggling Liverpool side a Champions League spot. While Messi won the Copa del Rey with Barcelona and most importantly, added an international trophy to his cabinet Copa America. The third comparison is impact. Bayern might win the Bundesliga without Robert Lewandowski. There is still a big might though, however, his absence was most realized when Bayern lost to PSG in the Champions League quarterfinal. Impact-wise, Lionel Messi has been the most influential player, which is most evident looking at Barcelona struggling without the Argentine magician. Most importantly, Messi's dominance in this year's Copa America helped Argentina win the trophy. He won both the Golden Shoe and Golden Ball in that tournament. Well, on the other hand, Mohamed Salah's story is more inspirational in the sense that he carried Liverpool last season on his shoulder. Jurgen Klopp's side was plagued with injuries, but Salah made sure his side qualified for the UEFA Champions League at the very least last term, which at a point seemed distant for the Merseyside team. The last comparison is magnitude of difficulty. Robert Lewandowski scored 41 goals in 29 appearances for Bayern Munich, in a league which is known to be one-horse league, with lots of goals scored in every game. However, he has matched the tally in the Champions League as well, which lends evidence to his quality. Mohamed Salah probably has the edge over others in this respect. His scoring rate, in arguably the most difficult league in the world, often raises eyebrows. On the other hand, Messi's domination in La Liga is no surprise. However, his lack of goal-scoring record against the big boys last season might hold him back a bit. A crucial penalty miss in the Champions League might add to his woes, which saw Barcelona eliminated. Again, winning Copa America is the best bet for the 7-time Ballon d'Or winner, although many are questioning if Copa is that much competitive a tournament nowadays. Well, to know if it's Salah first or the second for Messi and Lewandowski, we will have to wait for the 17th of January 2022 when all the winners of the Best FIFA Football Awards 2021 will be crowned, during a TV show broadcast live from the home of FIFA in Zurich. Thanks for watching this video. Please hit the like button and subscribe the channel for daily football updates.